everybody, and today I'm going to be reading Wolves in Yellowstone. I'm not exactly going to be reading because I have to go really quickly, so yeah. So I'm just going to make a quick video on talking about this book. I'm very interested in dogs, and wolves are kinds of dogs. So, of course, I like to read books about dogs. So it says in this book that wolves are endangered, and it teaches people not to be afraid of wolves because it's like useless. It's very useless. I mean, like, okay, you can be quiet right now. They need to listen. Okay. So, you know, if we tried not to kill the wolves, imagine what would happen. There would be many wolves for everybody to see. People would be free to explore everything. So that is why I wanted to talk about this very... Stop it! Sorry. What was I supposed to say? So if wolves weren't there, we wouldn't be able to tame wolves. So, okay, I'm gonna put it in this way. If we could tame wolves and teach them to fight for, like, hunt for us, like, we can put them in shops. What if all the wolves were gone? And what would happen? How would we hunt? How do we tame them? Also, wolves need food like us. All wolves. So I was hoping that this book would teach everybody that you should save wolves. I mean, it's no use. It's like, I don't know. So all the wolves are gone in Yellowstone now, and wolves are endangered. And also, I just don't know. I mean, I like wolves, and I really wanted to see a real life one. I didn't want to end up knowing that the wolves are endangered. I want to know how they look and stuff because all I have is books. So yeah. So someday I'm gonna see a wolf. I'm just gonna tell you that wolves are endangered, and we're gonna have to do everything we can to, like, keep wolves on Earth. Thank you. Oh, the next books we're going to be talking about is Bentley and Blueberry, a true story. Also in the back, what? At the end of the story, it shows you the real Bentley and Blueberry. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here's the page. See? The real Bentley and Blueberry is right there. And the other book we're going to be reading in the other episode is Cat's Car on Deaf Ears. Or whatever, because I can't really read that much. In the back, it shows the real life cat's car. Little picture. The little tiny picture over there. Sorry. The tiny picture. Oh, okay. That just fell. So the tiny picture is the dog. Can you see? I don't know. I'm just gonna put that over here. Pick up this one, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.